Okay, a short rant here. I recently saw a video of Richard Sutton being interviewed by Dwarkesh Patel, and I would say, Dwarkesh, if you're watching this video, it's very nice that you brought such a nice guest to your podcast, but it would be even better if you could prepare questions beforehand by reading some of the papers in this space, or just looking at the fundamentals of how large language models work. What ends up happening is they are left with giving more clarifications and ending up arguing with the host than actually do some sort of exploration, okay, which is what I would like to see in future. Like, one of the questions was, don't babies mimic their moms in the first 6 to 10 months? No, they don't. I mean, if you have a baby, you will know this by default, but if you go through basic child psychology, you will know that this is not true. So asking such a question then becomes a waste of time. Another thing that I see with AI philosophers in this space, Prashant Bhushan, for example, is a very famous lawyer. I'm a huge fan, sir, if you're watching this. You know, you're fighting for freedom of speech. But the idea of AI is going to come in the next 4 years, cause a revolution, and we don't need to fight for our rights is not true. You know, there's a lot of things which are there which need to happen before that can occur. And there is no reason to believe that AI is going to be very nice to us. When we can't even understand ourselves, despite having all the time in the world, how do you expect us to express ourselves to systems through code? All of the problems of humanity are going to exist for many, many decades moving forward. They can't be solved by AI. That looks more of a coping mechanism to me. Okay, all right. I have now sufficiently angered everyone, but I just want to say to the people who I mentioned here, Dwarkesh Patel or Diary of a CEO or Prashant Bhushanji, I'm actually very, very happy to see you in this space, and I just want you guys to maybe look more into it so that we can have awesome discussions moving forward. Thank you. See you.